Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to back up your Infinix Android phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your phone settings. So click on your settings right here. Take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on here, your Infinix Cloud. Click on that. So it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on Infinix Cloud. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on Get Started. So it's going to take you right here. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on here, back up the contact. So what you need to do is to make sure you enable this. So if you would like to back up, turn on your data synchronized stuff like that. So at this point here, simply click on turn on right here. Click on allow. So it has been enabled. So if you would like to back up some of the number you block on your Infinix phone, you can turn this. But as for me, it's not necessary. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on go back. And the next thing you want to do is to simply click on backup and recovery. So at this point here, what you need to do is to simply click on that auto backup. So your data will be automatically backed up every 7 days with your device charge connected to Wi-Fi, network, and screen lock. So simply click on backup. So simply make sure this is on. Then we can simply go back just like so. Now we have it on. Then the next thing we want to do here is to make sure we turn on our Wi-Fi. And this is going to pump up. Click on allow, and click on synchronize. Boom. It's as simple as that. So you can also enable this. Synchronize with mobile data, synchronize, boom. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply back up your Android Infinix phone without any stress on Infinix Cloud. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.